Hello, the Chef George from the Events by George Catering Company. Today let's make one of the most beautiful salad. Arugula salad is delicious and super healthy. Ingredients for the arugula salad: arugula, fresh arugula, dry cranberries, fennel, and strawberries. What happened? The arugula is a little sour. For this reason, I create the balance with the sweet and sour, with the cranberries and strawberry and arugula. It's perfect balance. This is the final result for the arugula salad: fennel, dry cranberry, and strawberries. Look how beautiful it is. We present this one with the Italian dressing. I hope that you enjoy. Like, share. Your comment is very important always. Every day we put a new recipe in our YouTube channel, and we make any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.